Hi, I'm Taylor with Kowalski's Markets, and today we're making a pizza.
Start by letting the dough rest at room temperature for at least an hour. This softens the dough and makes it easy to stretch. Place a pizza stone in your oven and preheat it to 500 degrees. If your oven goes to 550, even better. Hotter means a crispier crust. On a well-floured surface, use lightly floured hands to shape the dough into a 12 to 14-inch circle. Work from the center out, turning the dough as you go to keep it from sticking. Dust a pizza peel or a baking sheet with a little cornmeal. Add your sauce, toppings, and any herbs or seasonings you love, keeping it light for the best bake. Transfer the pizza to the stone. Bake 8 to 10 minutes until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and the crust is golden and crisp. Let the pizza rest for a few minutes, then garnish, slice, and enjoy.